Hey, Dr. Matt.
Yeah.
How do chiropractic adjustments help my nervous system?
Okay, so your nervous system is made up of your brain and your spinal cord, and every nerve in your body is encased in that spinal column, which connects to every part of your body. So your central nervous system is made up of those two elements, which regulates everything. So if your body's in fight or flight, it perceives everything as fight or flight. If it's in rest and digest, it does the same thing. So the chiropractic adjustment affects how the brain and the spinal cord work together. So whether it's fixated or it's stuck or subluxated, we remove that and get the body back on track so the body can do the work naturally.